Are in Talisay Tower Garden.
Mauna siya si Gloria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's begin this vlog by admiring this beautiful sunset. Smoke belching? Kaaso ba sa imong sakyanan, kuya? In this video, DI, we are going to a new place, so please come dine with us in Talisay Tower Garden. In this restaurant, they produce their own vegetables. Let's go check out their tower. In this tower, a maximum of 6 people at a time is allowed. Let's fast forward kay medyo taas kaayo dugay mahuman. Game kaayo si Gloria kay siya man ang nagbuot-buot nga maanhimi. Here's the view. And we can see the new star from here. Og nag-apas-apas ang mga kigwa nga si Ethan Joseph. Let's go down kay ready na daw ang among food. Thank you so much, Mama, for this dinner. As usual, in every video, in every pictures, what gid ko'y labot. Hi. Time to go home. See you on my next vlog.
subscribe